The goal of every single trader is to be profitable 99% of the time. That's impossible. That's the holy grail. But we went very close to make the holy grail. And today I'm going to break down the Tesla live trade we took in the room. In 6 days, we trade in Tesla, and every single day, this Tesla is giving us a paycheck. Now, our system is based on algorithm trading. It's a quant trading system. We built this in 2 years. So don't simply think that something like this is very achievable in a short time. It took us like thousands of tests, tracking, backtesting, working with coders. So enjoy, sit down and learn, and take your pen to take some notes. Okay, traders. So we're looking to trade now Tesla or short at a 462, 463, or short below 454. This is going to be the plan right now. So this is going to be the short play area. And below this level, the short play area. Okay. At the same time, I'm looking at small caps, futures, other stocks in large caps like Google, AMD, Oracle. Plan is up in the trading room and market chat. 45 seconds to go for the open. Remember always, first, protect your account. Second, wait first few minutes before taking a trade. First 60 minutes will be the best to trade for the liquidity and volatility. It's Friday, so I believe that the majority of the big hands will come back on Monday after these holidays. Actually, they did like yesterday holiday, probably they did today and Saturday and Sunday as well. So I'm only looking for an A+ setup as usual. This is the way that I grew my account in 2025, only through bots trading. 5 seconds to go. Okay, open. I short a Tesla 457 and 50, risking 458, a scalp play. Already out. AMD push, Google push. Back down short, as you see with the bubble over here. Risking again 458. So we're risking that previous day highest resistance. This is on the 1 minute. As soon as I saw that confirming, we got in over here, looking for this unwind. First target 454. So I'm looking for 4 to 5 hour now. Trade. AMD impressive, Google good. $50 short on yes. We have the support 455 holding on Tesla. We need to see that support breaking down. So we have a set stop at 457 now and 80. First target coming over here, looking for this 454 and 50. This is the play that the system is giving AMD. long over here. This is on the 1 minute. You can see the on the over play. This is Google play. We have over here another long, exactly this point on the over as well. And this is the futures over here. So you can see the system. This is the 9:30 open and it's giving a short. Perfect AIFFT. So that's futures. Tesla over here, amazing. First target. Okay, so I lost before like 0.5 R, taken over here like 5 R, killed it. Out over here, 30%. Already in the green, paying myself. Boom. Tesla, major one again with the bought in from here. So we shorter stop, we shorter added, first target, waiting to unwind. And this is the 1 minute where I have the confirmation on this bar. And now we're holding with stop break even. So Tesla multi-bot working right now. We have the long on IRWD. You can see the system over here is giving on the over. So for the long players in small caps, ARWD, major long play. You can see with the 5 minutes and with the 1 minute, we gave this entry setup in pre-market, guys. Remember what we said? We're looking for that play. This was the plan in pre-market so that you can see it. We gave this 906 or dip over here in the J lines and push. Exactly what happened, dip and push. So IRWD from the 460, if you took it, two bots over here on the over. So the YOTA and also over here the FFT, so institutional only for the long player. That's still unwinding. We're in over here, average 457s. So this is our level. That was our stop. So we're looking now, aiming for 448. Anybody short with me, guys? Also, AMD is going for 5 points. I'm not in, unfortunately. Yes, perfect short. You can see over here, institutional selling that point. NQ selling at this point. AMD wasn't the plan for the long, but again, I would never trade AMD despite this beautiful setup because ES and NQ are simply dumping. Okay, so we stay with the market. So Mike is short. Actually, Marcus bought some option puts. Very good, brother. Sì. I just want to hold now, guys, and explain you what we've been doing over here on Tesla the last days. So this was the first short we took on the 24th, and then we came back over here on the 26th. Long stop break even. Over here you can see the dot. We took the short play. So we had 2 wins. Third win over here, short. Exit gave us over here. Fourth win over here, exit gave over here. Fifth win over here. And this morning, we have the 6th win over here, consecutive on Tesla. So I'm trailing now 2/3 of my position. If we break 450 to the upside. Mamma, puoi ripetere a tutti che sto facendo solo voice commentary?
Yes.
Okay, no, I don't type. Amazing over here. New lows over here, 452. We're in from 457. So this is 5R trade. Beast mode. This is a beast mode, guys. We're looking for that 449. Meanwhile, new traders are joining the room. Please get the link.
Mabir, tell him to get the link in watch list, please, in streaming.
No, it's not going. It's not really sad. It's not this.
Let's go, brothers. Let's go. Okay, so I got out that extra over here, 452 and 20 right now. And we're aiming for that major target. So this, we got a long over here, stop $1. And now we are taking 5 points. So 5R. Okay. Um, System is performing well. This is live over here with my team. Thank you, Pierre, for the help, brother. So Tesla conditions over here were met because we have a downtrend situation. We had an open and our bot over here on the 5, on the 2, on the 1 minute screen. So I receive an alert, data taken from provider for a short play exactly at the starting of this bar, 457 and 70. Risk 60, 70 cents was more or less, and now we're up 5 points and 50 cents. This is how you kill the market, one and only. So targets coming over here, taking out more, now holding only at 20%. This trade over here is what I was waiting for today. One good trade, taking the short stopped, re-short over here, added more, cover, 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 now holding 20%. Incredible move. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Pierre. Glad that you took it. Okay, entire execution over here on Tesla. So this is the 6th day in a row. We're nailing Tesla. So bot is simply destroying the stock, destroying. I didn't calculate now perfectly the R, but I believe we're around like 6.5 R probably. So pretty happy about that performance. Thank you.
Seguro que por causa